You do the bing while I'm doing the swing.
Yeah, exactly.
Hi, I'm Matt, and this is Andrew, and we're industrial designers from Brooklyn, New York.
And we made Motos. Motos is a tool-free furniture system using connectors and boards to make whatever you want. In cities, you know, like here in Brooklyn, people are moving all the time, and most flat pack furniture is like such poor quality that it's like falling apart when you try to move. Or it was like such a hassle the first time you tried to put it together that you just can't bear the idea of actually putting it together a second time. It's like cheaper to just crush it, throw it out, and buy another one.
Most flat pack furniture takes much longer, and it's much more frustrating. It forces you to buy a product that doesn't last.
We were looking squarely at all these environmental issues in the development of Motos furniture. With Motos, we wanted to make something that was really high quality, that is really easy to assemble and to disassemble, and it doesn't need any tools. You're not going to lose anything.
It's hardware and boards. And when you combine the two, you can make shelves, beds, desks, really anything you like. You don't have to keep buying furniture over and over, which is expensive and not good for the environment.
It's something that's gonna keep going with you every time you move.
We created a system that does change when you move.
If you're the do-it-yourself type, you can buy connectors, download designs to make, or make your own designs. We've been through dozens and dozens of iterations. We have working prototypes, and we've gotten a lot of positive feedback. So the Kickstarter funds are basically to set up our production and order the quantity we need to bring the price down. Backing our campaign will help cover the initial manufacturing costs. Motos has been a dream for a long time. Funding our campaign will make this dream a reality.
And in return, you'll have our eternal gratitude, and you'll get Motos furniture at a reduced price.
So thanks for watching, and thanks for your support.